Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Data with Divanka. Today we have a special video lineup for who want to become a data analyst and SQL developer. So we'll be exploring the top 5 famous websites that provide an excellent platform for SQL practice. Whether you are beginner or experienced candidate for a SQL developer or data analyst, so this website will surely challenge and enhance your skills SQL skills. So let's get started. First on our list is SQL Zoo. SQL Zoo provides you with a unique opportunity to work with real world databases. You will have access to multiple example databases, allowing you to practice SQL queries on datasets that real life scenarios. This makes learning SQL more engaging and prepares you to tackle real world data challenges with confidence. SQL Zoo provides quizzes and challenges. As you progress through the quizzes, you will encounter various levels of difficulty, keeping you engaged and motivated to reach the next milestone. Plus, you will receive instant feedback on your solutions, making it a fantastic learning experience. So let's click on quiz. So this is our quiz. So let's select some random solution here, like this, this, and like this. Okay. So it gives me output. Okay. So this is very useful site for SQL practice. And this site covers like multiple quizzes on the selective topics, like here is a join or null. Thereafter, let's click on where clause. Okay, so you can check this site. So next one is HackerRank. So HackerRank is it's provide a vast collection of coding challenges, from fundamental of programming concept to advanced level. You will find challenge all level expertise. This challenge not only enhance your coding skills but also encourage you to think critically and optimize your solution for efficiency. I already signed up on HackerRank, so you can check here the status of your questions, like solved, unsolved, like your skills, basic level, intermediate, or advanced. Thereafter, difficulty level. Let's say you want to medium level. Thereafter, subdomains, like you can select your basics, joins, advanced joins, aggregation function, any kind of questions. So this is very useful site. You can check this. So HackerRank is best practice sites for SQL, and as a aspiring to work for a specific tech company, HackerRank partners with the top notches company, provides you with the company specific coding challenges. By solving these challenges, you will get a test of the coding task you may encounter during the hiring process of your dream company. No list would be complete without mentioning W3 School. While not exclusively focused on SQL, there is a SQL section in extensive, offering tutorials, example, and exercises to sharpen your SQL skills. When I started the SQL learning, so I'm starting with this W3 School site. So this is our interface for W3 School. So you can see here they cover each and every concept, every command in SQL, like create, drop, tables, thereafter quizzes, exercises. You can check this site. If you are beginner, you can start with this site. Okay. So another popular platform among programmers and SQL enthusiasts is LeadCode. While famous of coding interviews, LeadCode also featured a substantial SQL question bank. It's an excellent place to refine your problem solving abilities with SQL. So this is my LeadCode interface. So you can easily manage your study plan like top interviews 150. Thereafter you can see your calendar. So you manage your study plan with this calendar. Thereafter you want to SQL practice, then you can select your database and select one question of them, like I'm selecting a rack score. So yes, you can type your query here like this. Okay, so let's move to our another source, and this is our last site. You can select any one of the company Google. Okay, and now solve this query. Okay, and check your solution here, and you can also you can also check discussion and submission. Okay, so and friends, do practice with these all resources, because these resources providing various challenges, tutorials and real world scenarios to expand your SQL expertise. Remember, practice is the key to mastering SQL, so be sure to take advantage of these resources. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on SQL and Power BI. As always, thanks for watching.